I'll wager I could make that shot.
You cut quite the hunter's figure.
Allow me to lead the way. I can take you to our destination by the optimum route.
Sir Arisen, thank heavens you've come. Saurians have claimed the village yet again, if you can believe it. Just when almost all of the villagers had—
Oi! What are you doing standing up?
Jonas! This is the good sir I spoke of. The one who
Is that right? Then I expect you to— You did it once afore, eh?
My apologies for the chief's temper. Yet he speaks truly. We have— Pray, calm the beasts as you did before, sir.
More Saurians. Let us deliver them a swift end and ensure the village is safe.
There, Master! Saurians! Ice will be most effective against this foe.
Let our foes cower before lightning.
Well destroyed! Driver at earth! Ensure your next attack is no less purposeful. I've got it pinned! You'll have a hard time spinning his belt looking at us now!
The Saurians are no more, I see. That's twice you've come to our rescue. You're more than a friend to our village, Sir Arisen. You are truly, we cannot
Here he is! I found—
Jonas! What is the mean—
This blasted beastren went and ventured into— How many times have we said none are to tread there? There can be no doubt. He's—
Forgive me. I never meant...
Trust a beast—
Jonas! Surely there's—
You would say that, wouldn't you? Seems to me beastrens go causing—
Jonas, please! You're
There!
I do apologize. 'Twould seem things have— We mustn't let this sour your triumph. You came to— I do hope you shall visit us.
This was a rotten note to end things on. I do hope Sir Fioran will be all right. Shall we report this development to Captain Brandt? If you would be...